TowGo's new quick install trailer hitch bracket is the fastest way to mount your TowGo Hitch Sensor. The coupler must have a flange about the bottom and be compatible with a 1 7/8 inch or 2-inch hitch ball. The mounting bracket will clamp to this flange. Place the mounting plate below the ball area of the coupler and the bracket portion above. 4 bolts come up through the holes. Secure the bracket with 4 nuts. Before you tighten the nuts, center the bracket around the hitch ball cup. Align the holes in the side of the bracket to where the center of the hitch ball will be. Tighten the bracket. Insert the TowGo Hitch Sensor module. The tab at the bottom goes into the square hole in the center of the bracket. Secure the sensor using the built-in screw. The screw doesn't come out, so it can't get lost. Periodically check the bracket to ensure it has not shifted or loosened. Thank you for listening.